Hello and welcome. You're watching Right to Home event by PropTiger, where we connect with the best in the industry. I am Shobit Mathur, your host for the day, and today we are joined by the expert panelist from Ahmedabad. Today we are going to discuss about one of the best projects available for our viewers in Ahmedabad, that is Silver Luxuria by Avirat Infra Projects. I would like to introduce our panelist for the day, Mr. Prem Chavda from Avirat Infra Projects. Prem, welcome to Right to Home event.
Thank you, Robert.
And a property expert from PropTiger, Mr. Ashish Sharma. Ashish, welcome
Thank
to
you,
Right to
Shobit.
Home event.
Thank you.
So, may I request Mr. Ashish Sharma to go ahead with a brief introduction of himself and PropTiger.com?
Yeah, good afternoon, viewers. I am myself Ashish Sharma, and I am representing Prop Tiger since 2016, looking after primary sales Ahmedabad location. PropTiger.com is one of the leading India's real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for our customers. We also guide home buyers right from the start of their home search to the very end.
Great. Ashish, thank you so much. I would request Prem as well to introduce himself and the brand he is representing.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Robert. So Avirat is the very old name in Ahmedabad. Okay. So we are running our projects is from last 40 years. Okay. So in lakhs of customers are happy who are staying in our residential apartment, who are staying in our bungalows, who are staying in our commercial spaces. Okay. So we are the huge brand name in Ahmedabad location. So there will be a no person who was not aware about the Avirat.
Thanks, Prem. Thanks for the wonderful introduction, Ashish and Prem. Now, to set the tone of today's episode, let's have a look at the project video. A wonderful project, a lot of open space and greenery around it. It was a treat to the eyes. Now let's have some. I have some questions for you, Prem. Tell us about what are the USPs of your project.
So I'll brief about the project, what project is all about. Okay. So this is the biggest project which we are putting in Ahmedabad location, which is just near to Jagatpur, Gotha. Okay. We are having in Godrej Garden City just next to us. Okay. So this is the 19,000 square yard land parcel for Pura project. Okay. This is the purely residential area. Purely residence we are putting. There is a no commercial which is coming in the project. Okay. Total 175 luxurious units. That is the size 4,150 square feet area. If I'm talking about the USPs, so one of the USPs I just told you that is the pure residence area. The space on which we are making this project, only 45% of construction that is included. 65% is the open space area in the project. So towers are getting 100 feet cut distance in between of it. Okay, we are putting 35 plus amenities, all centralized areas. Okay, we are putting two allotted car parking to each member. Okay, and they can buy extra two more. That much of space we are having in the project. Okay, so that is the huge, we can say, the we are calling it a masterpiece of West Ahmedabad.
Yeah, truly, it is a masterpiece of Ahmedabad. With this, answers, I have a question for Ashish. So, Ashish, a customer is buying a house. He's looking for for a house in Ahmedabad. So, what are the infrastructural developments that home buyers should look forward to?
So Shobit, because of bandwidth, your voice was not coming, but I understood your
And
question.
should I repeat it? Or
No,
is
it's
that
okay. Like I
okay?
got your
Yeah.
question. So I would like to say home buyers should be looking for uplifting their lifestyle, wherein they are very keen about the locality and genetry and about the amenities what builder is providing nowadays.
Mhm.
So I would like to say the project like Silver Luxuria, which is very well, planned location they have got, and they are get. It is nearby Godrej Garden City, and if talk if we'll talk about the nearby areas, that area is fully covered with lush greenery. So people would love to go in that kind of location wherein the pieces by default the piece is available. So surrounded by lush greenery, and by default view what they get in this project will be amazing. So apart from all these you know value added services, they are also looking for some good appreciation of the property what exactly they purchase. Also home buyers are looking for open areas, as I said, public gardens and public utilities nearby vicinity. So this is nowadays this is very important, that whoever is buying a property, they are looking for all these infrastructures or nearby amenities surrounded with the project. So this is very important for our buyers to understand.
Yeah, thanks, Ashish. This will surely help our buyers, when they go out shopping the home. Um, my next question is to Prem. Prem, a lot of Ahmedabad is one of the biggest NRI market. A lot of
Right.
NRIs come during the NRI season. So, can you help our viewers understand what do you offer to NRI buyers and what are the prospects?
See, for NRI buyers, we are giving the option to buy back. Okay, if investors are there, okay, if they want to invest in our project, if they are investing in our project, we are giving them 36% assured return after 3 years when we are giving the possession. Okay, so that is the biggest offer which we are spreading out for the NRIs. Okay, but then they must to buy in the down payment. Okay, they're paying whole amount to me in a single shot. Okay, we are offering them 36% guaranteed return after 3 years. Okay, so this is like if they are buying right now in 1.5 CR. Okay, we'll give them 2 CR after 3 years when they are getting the possession. Okay, so that is something like that. So that is the biggest offer which we are providing, and we are the only one who are providing this, and we are the only one who has the courage to put a 4 BHK duplex in this kind of location where there is a luxury is demanding. People are looking for luxury, and they are giving the luxury in that location.
Wonderful. This will help our investors and the NRI customers as well, and our viewers as well. My next question is to Ashish. Post-pandemic, have you observed any change or new trends in the property market in Ahmedabad itself?
So Shobit, this is nowadays a very common, query what exactly customers have, and I can say it
True.
is clear by now that COVID-19 pandemic has forever altered the way we live and work. Our offices, our home, our outdoor spaces, every place has been impacted by the virus. So each and every sector of the economy, including the previously healthy reality sector, I can say, has been hit by the novel coronavirus pandemic. As new trends emerge, the reality market is not going to be the same in a post-COVID world. But yes, the demand and supply dynamics will evolve and change. So I would like to say, however, the vaccination drive has impacted positively. The market is opening up, and customers are willing to visit the sites and booking homes. Also, investors have also started investing in real estate nowadays. So luxurious as well as affordable properties doing pretty good, and Ahmedabad market really picked up in a better shape.
Thank you. Thanks, Ashish. Moving on, I would request Prem to lead us through the project presentation, please.
Yeah. So our project name is Silver Luxuria.
Mm.
Can we have the PPT?
Yeah, so I guess there is some technical challenge. Yeah, now it is.
So as you can see, that is there is a Silver Luxuria, which we are calling the masterpiece of West. Okay, as I earlier said, that this is the only pure residential area which we are putting in. Okay, so there is no garden facing, there is no road facing. Okay, anyone is buying any unit, they're getting road facing also, they're getting garden facing also. As we are putting two units on each floor, there is no 4 unit or 3 unit or single unit. We are putting 2 unit on a floor, okay, so that they can have a garden facing as well as the road facing unit. So this is the G plus 14 story apartment, as all are duplexes, so that you'll get a 7 unit in a series. Okay, next please. So this is the just view which where you can see that we are having a dual balcony concept. Okay, on the first floor you'll get 18 feet by 6 feet ka balcony. On it you'll get 8 and 6 feet ka balcony, something like that. So this is the bird view of the project. If you can see the terrace where we are going to put the solar panel, so that the maintenance of the society will be reduced with the 1 rupee per square feet per month. So this is the layout. You can see the air-separate land parcel which we are having of 19,000 square yard. Okay, we'll put 2 entry-exit gate. All will be for the walk-in as well as for the vehicle. We are giving one level basement parking, where we are giving 2 allotted car parking to each member. We are putting 30 plus amenities in the society. We are putting party plot. We are putting garden space area, splash pool for the adult. Swimming pool we are putting. There is a tennis court, there is a badminton court, there is a cricket pitch, theater. Look, you ask for the thing, we are having the thing in this society itself. Next, please. So this is the layout. We can see the 2 unit on a floor. We are providing 33 feet by 10 feet का full big size foyer, जहाँ पे 2 unit ही आएंगे एक floor पे. You can see 2 units on each floor with the 2 separate lifts. Okay, we are providing vestibule, then the living space area of 16 feet by 30 feet with the balcony of 18 feet by 6 feet. The smallest room which we are providing in this layout is 14 by 13. So that is the smallest room size which we are providing. Okay, all are same sizes, 175 total unit, all are 4150 square feet area ka. Next, please. So this is the second floor's layout, where you are coming up with the stairs. You will have the space of somewhere around 10 by 7 ka. Then 14 by 13 room size area, 16 by 13, then 14 by 12 kai bedroom size area. The biggest thing and the USP we are giving second balcony with the master bedroom and the washroom size of 15 feet by 6.5 feet ka washroom. So this all things are very luxury, which we can see directly. We are providing Italian marble in the project itself. Okay, we are putting Finestra sections. So Finestra is world over top brand. Okay, the costliest for the room and window sections. We are using sanitary ware of Toto everywhere. Okay, tiles are all AGL and everything. So everything what we can understand, is the master in the in the society or in the market. We are using it. All top brand we are using in the project. Next, please. So these are the brief about the amenities and the visibility of the product, which will look like in the finished stage. Yeah. So these are the some elevations and views which we have put it in the presentation.
Yeah, surely a marvel of Ahmedabad city, Prem. With this, I have a question for you. What features of the project attracts the buyer?
So as I said, the biggest feature is pure residence. People are not getting pure residence apartment in the Ahmedabad location. All the developers are keen to put the commercial space with the residential, which become a nuisance in future time, we can say. So this is the pure residence. You are getting your house. You are getting a piece. So that's why that is the only reason we are putting 65% of open space area, where if customer is paying 2.5 crore rupees for an apartment, if he is not getting a piece, then there is a no, we can say, doesn't matter if we cannot give this.
True. No, absolutely true, Prem. Uh, now, your project is under construction,
Yeah.
right? So, how do you update your buyers about construction status, and what is
See,
the status of your project right now?
right now we have constructed 3 floors. Okay, our sample house is ready. Okay, on each three and a half month gap, we are getting our slabs done. 2 floor ka slab done. We are done with our ground floor, basement area, and everything. Okay, so 2.5 years is the possession timeline which we are thinking to give, and right now we are showing the sample apartment to the customers. Okay, if they want a real picture, we can also share the real pictures. If they want online web tour, we are ready to give that also.
Great, great, Prem. And with this, I would like to go to Ashish and ask, is it a good time to buy a property in Ahmedabad?
Shobit, I would like to say, among other cities in Gujarat, Ahmedabad has had the luck of being a strategic location and that of being Gujarat's largest city. Amongst investment prospects, growth and development of infrastructure, and that of housing, the city has been a choice for both investors and end users. Affordable homes in Ahmedabad have been the top pick, and the city attracts NRI interest as well. Further, new infrastructures, hospitals, corporate schools, colleges are coming up as well. Most of these developments could affect property prices in Ahmedabad, as well as home buyers realize the value of infrastructure development on the overall investment climate of the city. Yes, I would like to say there is always a good time to buy a property, as there are many facts which will be helping the home buyer to purchase new home, such as Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana benefits in affordable housing. Although the project what we are talking about is a luxurious one, and this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana benefit is not applicable on this, but still, uh, these are the some factors where customer is getting some boost to buy a property. And definitely all time low home loans are there, so buyers are more putting interest to take a property on loan, so that they can get better rates, and they can get benefit in tax rebate. And also there are some lucrative offers what they expect from the developers.
Thanks, Ashish. Now, Prem, know lead us through the entire amenities. There are a lot of amenities which you talked about. So the question comes to my mind is, will a buyer have to pay additional charges for using the lifestyle amenities in your project, or is it inclusive?
See, whatever price we are quoting right now, that is all inclusive. Okay, where they are paying maintenance charge for next 2 years when we are giving the possession. After that, they'll calculate the 2 years. Okay, for the benefit of the customers after maintaining us. we are putting solar panel in the society so that their maintenance cost will be only a single rupee per square foot, or also less than that if if they are going to use it after maintaining by us. Okay, so so they'll get the benefit of this also, because we are thinking for the customers, that after giving the possession, after maintenance done by us, what they will do. So we have taken care about everything so that customer will not face more charges after the society handover also.
Right. And how has been the response to your project?
So response is very good, as Ashish said that after COVID, people are more, people are more curious, and I can say ready to invest in the property, because each and every market has been crashed. If I'm talking about the share market, if I'm talking about the mutual funds, rates of banks, everything was not that much of pretty. Even people were having losses in that, but the real estate was the only one who was stagnant. And right now, matlab, we got that much of boom after COVID, that people are thinking, yes, real estate is the only thing where we can invest and we can save our money. So with that benefit, we got, I can say, 25 to 27 booking in last quarter.
Right. Great. With this, I would like to go to Ashish, because thinking of an investor, how much capital appreciation can an investor expect from this investment?
See, first of all, Shobit, I would like to say this property is attract to people, or I can say a buyer, those who are looking for bungalows. So uh, the nowadays builders are not constructing any more bungalows in the city location. So
Mhm.
because of the price hike of the land parcel, they are not getting the proper infrastructure. They are not getting so. This builder is coming up with the virtual vertical bungalows, I can say, right? So you know the people, those who are looking for bungalows in the city area, they should put up their interest in Silver Luxuria. So if we'll talk about the appreciation, yes, there is always a good appreciation recorded in under construction projects in Ahmedabad, which is just launched in specific location like SG Highway. And this project is located nearby SG Highway, and not exactly on the SG Highway. So the connectivity to the airport, to SP Ring Road and to SG Highway is very well settled there. So if buyers have a longer period of horizon, they can definitely can see a decent amount of appreciation on their real estate investment. So I would like to say, if any customer is having budget above 1 CR and 1.5 CR, they are not looking for that kind of appreciation. Rather, they are looking for a proper house or proper living lifestyle. So this is the project for them, those who are looking for proper lifestyle product.
Thanks, Ashish. Thanks for the insight. Prem, if I talk about the project, so buyer looks the location and the locality, right? So I would like to understand what is in the immediate vicinity of this project.
See, we thought this first when we are putting the project. Okay, so the buyer who will come in the matlab, who will come in the society, all should be with the same mentality. That's why we have put only a single size, which is 4150 square feet area. So we can, that is the common sense, that if a person is spending 2 crore rupees and another person is paying the same for the same size, so mentality will be connected. Okay, so future disputes can we can ignore the future disputes as well. And matlab, we can get a proper big house, matlab, happy family we can have over in our project.
Great. Are there any ongoing offers in your project?
Right now, we are giving the offer of price benefit itself only, because we have just launched the sample. Okay, and customer can come and see the sample that what we are giving, whatever I have talked right now, we're giving the same. Okay, and we are changing the price after this month so that they can have maximum price benefit right now. So that whatever we are quoting right now, that will be the last after this month.
Thanks, Prem. Ashish, can you tell me about property price trends in Ahmedabad market? And have price been corrected, or are there any scope of price correction in Ahmedabad market?
Okay, Shobhit, as such location like Ahmedabad, there is no price correction we have seen in past. So in fact, after COVID pandemic, prices are gone up by 7 to 8% yearly. And there is an expectation of increments in property pricing as cost of construction raw material had increased by 20 to 30% post COVID. So this exactly reflects that after coming in future or coming months, prices will be little bit in a higher mode or in incremental mode as raw material is increasing and construction cost is increasing, and builders marketing expenses and other expenses are adding into that. So property value will get increased. Definitely there will be incremental, we can see. And after COVID, there is it was a fluctuation like after COVID the rates will go down, or real estate will go down, or prices will be crashed. So there is no picture as such we have seen in the past, and we will not see, I hope we will not see in the coming months also. So if we talk about Ahmedabad location, so the kind of infrastructure is developing by the government, and interest they have shown in the real estate sector, it is extraordinary and amazing, and which will definitely positively affect put on positively effect on property pricing in Ahmedabad. So if any customer or any investor is looking for investment or buying a new house for their lifestyle, they should, this is the right time to go ahead and put on their interest, so so that they can book the profit in coming 2 to 3 years in under construction projects.
Okay. So Ashish, how can PropTiger.com can help buyers, in reaching out to the project, and you know, can PropTiger help the buyers in doing virtual visits for Silver Luxuria?
Right. So for Silver Luxuria project, if any buyer, any investor is putting up interest, so PropTiger will help them help them to reach the site, um, either through virtual meetings or physical meetings. So if we have a client who is not in the city, or he is residing out of station, so we can set up a virtual meeting through Google Meet or Zoom meetings, so that in that case we will cater them, understand his needs, cater them the desired project what they are willing to buy with the help of technology. And for our local buyers, we can arrange virtual or physical meeting both for interaction and give them a property tour online, and also help them for site visits. And if they are if they freeze the property, if they like the property, we will help them out to do the good deal with the builder.
Thanks, Ashish. Thanks for a wonderful insight. With this, we come to an end of our episode of Right to Home event. Thank you, Ashish. Thank you, Prem, for attending our show and guiding us and our viewers about the market trends and the project. Till the
Thank
next
you so much.
episode of our Right to Home event, stay safe and goodbye.
Thank you.